You mash up my life, Neko. You mash up my life.
Yeah, people, when you just see that, say a Shenseea that a sing Amari, it song Neko, right? So we are going to break this down and talk about that song here and how that song rise to fame right after this.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic.
Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. May I tell you, no matter what age is or who you be, if you not hear somebody a sing a song within the last 6 days, you not come from planet Earth. You see what I say? Everywhere I go, every turn on social media, everywhere, and Neko a mash up life. You see what I say? Neko everywhere, everybody. I mean, no one must hear it too. Some I wanna sing it, some I wanna put in the comment section, some I wanna their Instagram, I wanna comment the Neko thing said way. Some people are to challenge everything. You see me? So right now, me showing is a Shenseea sing the song. So when I don't know, so that's even a big step for Amari. Cause imagine Shenseea singing your song, you know what I mean, to all our followers. She post this on our Instagram and our story. So me see it, that means a whole heap of other people see it. So let's watch it a little bit and then we'll talk about it, alright?
Up on the streets, don't have nothing to eat. But ask if you help me. They say no, not a bumbo cleat. Neko, you mash up my life. You mash up my life. You mash up my life. Neko, you mash up my life. You mash.
Now, people, this is one of them times where me myself can say me no feel like a bandwagonist because I always did a post Amari on my Instagram before the song and everything. And last week, I post Amari and her man a war in a hotel. Wicked. It's still up on my page and you can go see it and see what go on. But I got to talk about the brother where Amari did a war with, and we are going to talk about Gully Bop also. But before that, I want to show you one other artist a sing Neko. Or that person a sing Neko, but you know, them a talk about the song. So, right now, I have a next clip for show now with Maka Diamond, right? Maka Diamond, I say everywhere she go, she hear the song. She get up, she sing the song. The song just stuck in her brain. You see me? So, let's see what Maka Diamond I say.
Hey people, I want to help me. I want to seriously help me with that one here. I want if I'm me alone or my head take me or something wrong. Yesterday, the whole day, and I stop to buy all food at the same thing. I go home, me bathe in the shower at the same thing. I come out of the shower, I say I take a relaxation at the same thing. I lie down on my bed before I drop asleep at the same thing. I wake up this morning, I make my tea at the same God Almighty thing. No, I drop on the whole day today at the same thing in my head. I don't know it come out of my mouth too and everything was at the same God Almighty thing. No, I stop to buy some lunch. I drive to the restaurant. Hear me now? Neko, you mash up my life. You mash up my life. I'm me alone. I want for me alone. But I really want for me alone. Me don't know. Me don't know. Every minute me depend Neko. You mash up my life. You mash up my life. Lord Jesus. Answer me, please, my money diamonds. Me I beg you. I'm me alone.
And people, the other night, I'm already there on Lava Live, you know, and she has sing the song. You see me? This about 2 nights ago, right? And Vybz Kartel a comment on it and I say a big song and she did even sing piece for Vybz Kartel, you know. So no see say Amari thing a blow up big. Now me just play the song on YouTube for the first time in full because me I think to myself and me I say, but me don't know the words to the song past Neko, you mash up my life. And the part where she say, but up on the street, not a blood cleat. You see what me I say? Me don't know the song past so me go listen to the song in full and watch the video and thing. You see me? And you know what I mean? Without a lie, I don't know too much while I go on but Neko, other part there, the hard part people, you see me? And that's all she need, because the song I play everywhere. Now, today, Amari did dip on her live and she did that on a jungle, right? The kids them out there, everybody out there, dip on for me Instagram, I dip on fear Instagram, I'm sure they elsewhere. See me I say, go there pink wall and all them places so you can see it. I wanna probably see it already. You see me? But people, let's talk about the irony of this song and Amari herself, Gully Bop and this dude there. Let's first say, think about it, people. Amari used to follow back a Gully Bop and Gully Bop bust as an old man. Now Amari said on Lava Live the other night says she is 51 years old, right? So The table turned 360 right round, people. Amari come boss now at 51 years old with a song, and she used to go with Gully Bop, where boss, me don't know Gully Bop did how much, but you know what I mean, him bossing of him all days too. Couple of years later down the road, cause Gully Bop time I was like 2013, 14, somewhere around there, so. You see what I say, people? Think about it. You see me? I wouldn't Adele alone get them big boss here. Joke me I make still, but it's just funny that Adele make her whole album talking about her boyfriend who decide to leave her. And basically the same thing Amaria do. She talk about Nico who mash up her life. You see me? So we have to give Amari the Adele status. You see me? Now let's talk about the nether brother where she did a date named Colin, right? So as she and Colin did in the hotel the whole time since she come to Jamaica, me I watch it, me I watch them a go around, you know what I mean? Amari cuss off the police them, and then everything cool, she got caught, them fine her and thing. Then she come back at the hotel and she and the brother hang out and then bust out in a big war. You see me I say, and you know Amari she go live for everything. Or if you don't know the people them we don't know, that's how Amari work. Once something go on, her life turn on, right? So it's like boom, the life turn on and I see big war go on, you see me? Till all the hotel people them come and tell the brother say I have to leave and the man rush off Amari wicked and Amari's son did it. You see me I say big up Amari's son. For the ladies that know Amari's son, I always ask the girl them come and say Amari's son cute. You see me I say him name David, big up David. Humble youth from when me see on the gram. You see me I say real humble youth. It's not a man when you know. It's surprising for know say mother, you know what I mean? Have that kind of personality and him different, you know what I mean? He's a calm youth. But let's get back to what I say about Colin Zine. So think about it now, people. This song you post 6 days ago till today, right? So Amari literally stop talk to that man and run with the man. The war going like must be 2 days before that. Imagine how that brother you feel, people. You know say. As soon as him and Amari broke up, Amari turned big superstar all about everybody talk about Amari. You see what I say though? You see what I say? You get in the comment section and tell me how you think that brother you feel right now. You see me? Because people that song you not stop. Who want call it fool, call it fool. But when you see everybody else sing it, me not lie, it's not the best song or the biggest song, the best song or the best lyrics in the world. Me not say the biggest. Sorry, that was a mistake. It doesn't have the best lyrics in the world, but like me say, people, all she need at a part they will say, Neko, you mash up my life. You know, if you know the song past this, so for you know Neko mash up my life. See there, this morning, it was Lisa Hyper talk about it. You know what I mean? I'm sure other artists are talk about it and just know maybe post it or dip on the social media talk about it. But Shenseea, you see what I say? That's like, I would say 25% of what she need right now. Because from me Shenyang, them react to that and I interact with that, you know, say that's a step for her. You see me? And you don't know Lava, post her and Lava, bring her up on film platform and them thing there, so them thing they help her. And that 2020 people, you know what I mean? Anything up me here within minutes. So this song I go, you see me I say right now it's on YouTube, it's about 100,000 views. Let's see how much you do by the end of the week or whatever. You see me? I don't know if me I go talk about this again. Me just excited right now for her and show Mrs. Shenseea sing it. And me just meds me and say, wait, the brother really this are like 2 days before she blew up. And you know what I mean, the irony of Gully Bop being a old man and boss. One time she used to go with Gully Bop and now the table just turn around and I fear her time now. Let's see what this all go. I'm going to post a video earlier with Gully Bop go live. I don't know if you see that, but at the video web before this one, so now we see it. It's at the end of the video, you know what I mean? But Gully Bop basically at this Amari. I say the foreigner then broke and then had the money and ray. Be a shit in my chat. But you know what I mean? Like me say, people, I'm glad to see something I go on for her. You see me, she always up on the media, she always do a bag of things to get her attention. Now she really get some genuine attention because I'm not laughing at the song, say a full song. And that's why I like the song. The actual concept is tough. Neko, you mash up my life. And the fact that everybody wanted to know who Neko is, which people still not clear who Neko is. There's people I say a Gully Bop. Even me I say a Gully Bop earlier and then I see somebody comment and I say, yo, I know Gully Bop or whatever. So just the mystery of who Neko is make the song all the more interesting. You see me? But people, You know what I mean? I say, we're going to lock off the video, so just get in the comment section and continue the discussion. Open discussion. You see what I say? Tell me what you feel about the song. Tell me what you feel about Amari. You see what I say? And other than that, just thank you for watching. And if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please subscribe. And for all my long-time subscribers, you know what I mean, who've been here and been supporting the thing, thank you very much. All right, you have a lovely rest of your night, dear, whatever time of day it is, wherever you at. All right.
Who are going to stop you more than you? The only person can stop you is you. You take these things serious and people try to stop you. Then you're going to stop yourself. You just have to love yourself and continuously making it.
So you have to really love music, love yourself, and keep on going no matter what.
You don't really have to love music. I'm born in music. I am music.
Exactly. I like that.
Yeah, so you not really have to love music.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.